Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I am back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to follow or unfollow a user in TikTok. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, now let's open up our TikTok app first. Let's see, in this video you can see the creator's picture in a circle over here, which is on the bottom right side of your phone, and which is the top option over here, and you can see the plus sign over there. If you tap there, and it says a tick mark has appeared and the plus sign has disappeared, you are now following that user through your For You videos in telecast. Now if you want to unfollow him, just go to his profile, tap on his picture icon, his profile pictures icon, and after that you can see the tick mark with the person button on the middle side of your screen, which is at the side of the message option. Now to unfollow this guy, just tap there and you will unfollow him. Now to follow and unfollow, okay, you can follow by this way too, and to unfollow again tap here. So there guys, to follow or unfollow a person in TikTok is this easy. Now if you search for a person, the same thing goes by there. Let's search. Okay, let's search for just a person. You can see, let's see the uses, and you can see diapers on Venom. If you want to follow from here, you can follow him by directly tapping on the follow button, and now you are following him. And if you don't want to follow him, if you want to unfollow him, go to his profile and tap on the person with a tick sign, and you will unfollow him. There guys, following somebody from your For You telecast as well as by searching in TikTok is this easy. And if you have any questions or comments regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos.